Here you go. This blower, all these edges were kind of like glued together, so they were sticky, but you can pull apart. If you see, it's a shiny stuff. So when you put it back, I believe you need some kind of a rubber seal, glue, maybe RTV to put it before you assemble it back. So anyway, from the bottom, this is how it is right now. I will see if I can start this way. So that's how you split. From here on, I believe you need to remove this nut, lose it or remove it. So this blower fin, yeah, this is the propeller or the blower. Needs to be detached, so it sucks in all the air from here and the other side, this side. Basically this side will be blocked, so all the air will be circulated and comes out. This will block, it will come out and goes to the exhaust or exit. So that's all. I don't think you can split more than that. All is needed is to remove the motor, and I'll figure out the motor, how it is attached. I think once I remove this fin or rotor, then I can see those bolts holding the motor to this piece. So I'll continue to disassemble and see what happened. Bye.